Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of gold in front of us, and we can see right now that gold is trading around 2317 2318. And as we all know that this month has been very difficult, this month has been very much unpredictable, especially for gold, because the trend of the gold has been changing very swiftly. For example, market was in uptrend, then for a few hours we saw gold struggling around 2368, 2369, and there was a big drop. After that, we saw gold trying to recover, but the recovery was not very strong. Okay, but still, gold was trying its best to recover. But again, we can see that gold is showing signs of downtrend because when this market fell, okay, there was a sharp fall in the market. After that, gold was slowly forming technically higher highs and higher lows. Okay, but right now we can see that gold is no longer forming higher as high lows, rather gold is forming lower lows and lower highs. And this is the main reason, okay, why trading on gold has been very difficult this month. And I believe that in the coming days, especially after 2 3 years, okay, trading will be like this only because new algos are coming, okay, at every price level. Okay, thousands and thousands of algos are placing orders, and obviously algos are much more fast in comparison to humans, and the algos do not have emotions. So my friends, survival will be very difficult in the coming days, personally I feel. Okay. So as we do not have a clear trend present right now, so my dear friends, it's better to stick to the levels, means level to level trading will be safer option for us. And if you look at the market sentiment, we can see gold flat as dollar yields firm. Investors seek more US data. Gold prices were flat on Wednesday as the dollar and treasury yields held firm ahead of a key inflation reading due later this week. It's talking about PCE, which could provide more clarity on the Federal Reserve's interest rate path. Gold flat as investors digest Fed comments. And if we look at the economic calendar, you can see today we have new home sales coming up. It doesn't bring much volatility to the market, but this month has been crazy, so please be careful. If you see this, there is a sudden change in the direction of the market, forget about levels, try to follow the trend of the market. Simple. Okay. And if you look at tomorrow, then yes, tomorrow we have a long list of events, but mostly market is waiting for Friday's PCE index. So this till Friday, okay, till Friday we can expect the market to remain like this, means market to remain indecisive and choppy. Be careful till then. Now let's talk about the levels. Okay, so if market goes up from here, okay, if a market goes up from here, the first resistance in front of us is around 2325. We can see here we have the FIBO 0.236% retracement level, the previous support acting as resistance. Along with that, we also have the 50 moving average. So before US session, if you see market going up with small candles, see volume will play a major role. This is the immediate level. So if you see market going up with small candles, then you can expect 2325 to act as resistance. Once market will hit the level, wait for 1 minute to see the market behavior. If you see market is showing price rejection from above, then only go for a sell position. Do not go for tight stop loss. This market is not for tight SLs. Any tight SL will be hit very soon. Minimum stop loss should be 40 pips, and you can also go for a target of 40 pips. Means in simple words, risk to reward ratio of 1:1. Because in this market, if you go for a risk to reward ratio of 1:2, 1:3, there's a high chance that your TP will not be hit. Okay, because we do not have a clear trend. So once market will hit 2325, observe the market. If market reverses, then only go for a sell. Do not place blind positions. This is not the market for placing blind positions, and not for also buy limit and sell limit. Okay, this can be very dangerous also. The second selling opportunity will be around 2333 because of FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Okay, 2333 to 2336. because of FIBO 38.2% retracement level, previous resistance. Along with that, we also have the 100 moving average to work as resistance, and then 2340. Okay, so these are all levels where we can look for a quick selling opportunity. In case any news comes out because of any geopolitical reason, then we may see a sudden change in the direction of the market may start flying. That's a different thing. But if the same market sentiment continues till Friday, the market will be like zigzag, 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 dangerous. Okay, and we can look for both buy at support, sell at resistance. Okay, so on all the levels, once market will enter the zone, observe the market. If market reverses, then only go for a sell. Okay, so 2340, 23336, and 2325. These are the levels where you can look for a quick selling opportunity. And my dear friends, if you see that market is very bullish, market is standing at the level with a big green candle, anything may happen after this is market, then obviously avoid any sell. Okay, do not think Avilas has said obviously I should go for a sell. No, it is not like that. We are all traders. Okay, nobody can predict the market. We can only expect the market to react at certain levels. If market does that, we should go for it. On the other hand, if market drops from here, the next support on the chart of gold is around 2304.50 to 2304.70. The box that I have made here is the next support on the chart of gold. Okay, right now there is not much volume in the market. So if the same volume remains, already market is forming lower lows. Okay, in lower low formation, taking a buy at support is not a very good thing. Already I'm saying this, but as we can see, there is not much volume in the market. So if market goes down with small candles, then this will provide support to the market. As a day trader, we can go for a buy position, because this is not the ideal market for any positional trade or any swing trade. If you're a positional trader or swing trader, then this is not the ideal market for you. Okay, only level to level trading. So this is the next support on the chart of gold. We can expect a quick bounce if market takes out. By the US session, if we see volume, if you see a big red candle, forget about buy at 2304, 2304, 2307. Your points 0.70. This is the support on the chart of 2304.50, 2307.70. And the best support on the chart of gold seems to be around 2295 to 2300. In case there is a big drop in the market, if you see that there is a sudden heavy selling pressure in the market, then you can look for a support around 2295 to 2300. 2300 should be the support for the market because of psychological support. But sometimes we see that after hitting the support, market goes down and comes back. Okay, market shows a strong price rejection from below. That's why we can consider 2295 2300 to be the ultimate support zone for gold as of now. Now let's wait and watch how does the market react. Again, I'm repeating, till Friday we can expect the market to remain like this. And as we all know, the market has been very choppy, market has been difficult, so please be careful and use proper risk management. Okay, and my dear friends, from day after tomorrow, okay, the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is about to start. Okay, if you are still interested, you can register yourself. The link will be in the description, because after this workshop, the next workshop will be in the month of October, I guess. Okay, so there will be no workshop for the next 3-4 months. This is a workshop that has been designed only for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money. So if you want to learn how to survive in the market, this workshop can be very useful for you. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. Already have told many times, these are the topics that we will be discussing during the workshop. These are the topics of the weekly lessons, and you will also be receiving regular market updates, analysis on the WhatsApp group. You can see here, Hindi classes over, English classes are coming up. And the best part is the fees. For 3 days workshop with 1 month support is only $15 or rupees 1000 for Indians. But if you're looking for personal sessions, because trading takes time, okay, sometimes it takes a couple of months to years. In that case, you can sign up for semi-annual or lifetime support, where you'll be receiving regular market updates, analysis, and also personal sessions. In semi-annual, you'll be getting 2 personal sessions with me to clear doubts and ask questions. In lifetime, you'll receive 6 personal sessions with me to clear doubts and ask questions. And obviously, you will be receiving regular market updates analysis on the WhatsApp group. These are the payment options or methods. Once you're done with the payment, just share the screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group immediately. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.